Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab, and if you want this video, check my progress bar, check the video description. Now right click and open the Looker Incognito window. Now for the user details, come to the lab instruction and just paste over here. Do the same with the pass and just click on this and just log in. Now the first thing what you need to do, you need to click over here to enable the development mode. So just click on it. So finally we are in the development mode. Now from here you have to click on explore and then just click on order items. Now wait for it to load. So finally it is done. Now from here you can see inventory item. Here you'll find cost. Just click on these three dots, click on aggregate and just select average. Now again click on add, custom measure. From here just type cost. Okay, just type cost, select this, update it to average, field details, it will be US dollars and then 2. Now come back again to the lab instruction. And from here you can find task number 1 is there. Scroll down a bit and from here just copy the name carefully. Make sure there is no extra space or dot, and we have to update the name and just save it. All the things are correct. Now in the same inventory item only, we have to click on product name. So product name has been successfully added. Now we have to find the users. So just find the users over here. Here is the users and let me just click on it. So this is our users. Okay. In the users section, we have to fill the country. Okay. Country you can see we have to create a filter. So we have to update a is equal to, it is already selected. If it is not, you have to just select it and just type USA in capital letters. So this is also done. We have added a filter successfully. Now what you need to do, you have to find state over here. So where is that state? This is the state. So from here just click on these three dots and from here multiple options are there. We have to click on group directly. Now here we have to add group one by one. So for the group name, come back again to the lab instructions, scroll down a bit. From here you can find the group name, that is the point number 5. Just copy over here and now is in the value. We have to add one by one all these things. So just add it, follow as I'm doing. Now come to the second one. Similarly do with the third also. And all things are done, I think so. There are only 3. Okay, so all these things are done. Just click on it, group remaining values, it has been checked, and now we have to simply save it. So we have done all these things, right? We have done all these things. Now what we need to do, now we have to create a filter. It's a simple filter. Okay, here they have mentioned the value as 200. So come back over here and just come over. From here just see filter. Now here we have to add value to 200 and let me see what the filter is saying. It is greater than. Okay, so we'll just update it to greater than and all things are done, right? All things. Now simply click on this run option. Now once all these queries are completed, just come over here and check the score. You can see we got the score. If you're not getting the score, wait for some more time. Now here we have to just search for this. Wait a second. Copy it. Now once you have copied, come back over here and in the search field just type it and just click on it. Now once this thing is done, okay. Now what you need to do, just click on this settings icon and from here you'll see one option. Okay. So just go to the calculations and percentage of column. Once you have done all these things, just rerun it again. Wait for it to get completed. Once all these things are done, we have to come back and simply check the score. So this may take time, so you need to wait for some more time. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes and keep hitting check my progress. Or if still face issue, just come over here and click on this gear icon and from here calculation and just click on this. Now run it again. Keep hitting check my progress. You'll surely get the score if you have followed the way I have completed the lab. Just follow as I am doing. You will 100% get the score. You can see we got the score and that's how we ending the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.